I have been getting lots of requests regarding how I adjust my animation timing. So in this video, I will show you how to adjust any object's timing. First, let's create one scene. For this example, I will create a pop-up animation. For those of you who want to watch how I create this animation, then click on this card. Or you can follow along as I show you. Go to Elements and search for Man. Click on Graphics. In this example, I will be using this animated thinking man. Now, I will be using other elements like laptop, cars. Adjust them according to your need. Passport and a nice house. Now here is the main part. So listen to me very carefully. You need to right-click on the canvas and you will get this menu. There you will see Show Timing option, click on it. Now it will show this bar. If your canvas doesn't look mine, then that is because you have not clicked on Duration button. Now click on Objects and adjust its timing. Remember, for first time you need click all the objects manually and increase or decrease its timing. Let's play the video. Nice, but looks like something is missing. Now let's add some animation. For that, go to Animation and select Animation to Pop. I have made a separate detailed video on this topic, make sure you check that out as well.